On this episode of Shiny G88's Computer Repair, I show you if my HP desktop PC will power on. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to see if my HP desktop PC will power on. So as I promised in the short, I'm going to explain how I got this computer. What happened is I have a family member who lives with her partner, and he is an apartment manager. So what happened is he had a tenant that passed away. So before I got this, there was some legal things we had to go through for me to get this. Once everything was signed over to him, he had to go through all the stuff and figure out what they could donate, what they throw away, and what they could give to people. So they gave this to me. So they told me they didn't know if it ran. They told me it was in good shape. As you can see, this is in very, very good shape. As you can see, it's in really, really good condition. So to start off with, what's cool about this computer here is on the sides here, there's buttons. So if I push it, it pops out. That's one reason I like HP. So as you can see here, I have a DVD-ROM drive, I have the heatsink for the CPU, I have a power supply. This particular type of power supply is OEM. This is a true desktop machine, not a tower. So what I would have to do if this ever fails, I would have to go through HP and see if I could find a replacement. If not, I would have to either buy another PC that doesn't work and salvage the power supply out of it, or kind of do this is not recommended, but for my test machines I can make something work. So if I come over here and I turn it down like that, this is the DVD drive, this is the CPU, this is the power supply. Now, if you see these color handles, what you do is you can pull up on things and it comes up. So if I have to replace this drive, I just pull up. Have to replace the power supply, just pull up. And the hard drive is right here. Now, this is something very interesting. This is an old machine. Right here it says Core 2. This is an old machine. I have a laptop that's a Core Duo. So these are around the same age of computer. So what I'm going to do first is take this is called what they call dust off. DUSTOFF. Dust off. This is a Staples brand. They call it Ultra Duster, but it's the same thing. And Walmart has an on brand, as you saw me use in one of my shorts. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking this and I'm going to go through everything this computer has not been on. Gotta watch out for that too. So everything seems to be okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to power this on and we're going to see if it works. Okay, so just to be fair here, this monitor's an old monitor and it's starting to go out. I don't have my testing station up and running right now. I had to fix a few things on it, so I'm using this monitor for right now. So I'm going to turn the PC up and I'm going to push the power button. So it's powering on. I just hope the graphics card is good that I could do what I need to do. There we go. Yes, it's running Windows Vista. So I do not know what's on here. So I might have to cut the camera real quick. Because if there's personal items on here, I don't want someone to see it. So this thing is kind of slow. I do have more memory for it. I got to figure out what the stick of memory is. And I'll pull this stick out and I'll put in what I have in here. So then this way I could soup the machine up. Now the only problem is right here it's blocked. So, or it's a little too close to metal for comfort for me. So this machine is booting. All right, we're going into Windows. Now I do not have any network. All right, so it powers on. Oh, it's Windows 7. Okay, I thought it was Vista. At first, I haven't used Windows 7 in so long that I forgot what it is. So this computer has been upgraded to Windows 7. So I have to stop right here because this contains the lady's user account. So what I can do is I could switch the user, see if I can get in through a guest account, but I'll do that for another video. So this computer is working, and it's Windows 7, and it's Windows 7 Professional. It does have a Windows Vista key, so this computer originally came with Windows Vista, which is fine. Yeah, Windows Vista. Okay. And so the previous owner had it updated and running Windows 7. So as you can see, this does work. So what I'm going to have to do right now is I just wanted to see if this worked. Also, the drive works too. Which I'll upgrade too. So what I want to do is I'm going to throw more memory into this machine. And what I really want to do is get it to the point to where I can install other things on it. So I will be replacing the drive with something different and stuff like that. So basically this computer runs. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.